It's the gala time in Rajshree's Jhilmil Sidaro Kangan Hoga, and we have the newlywed couple, Soumya and Angna. Congratulations on the D-Day. So, how are you feeling today?
Uh, Feels nice, yeah. It's good to be married again and again. जितनी बार शादी करो उतनी बार अच्छा लगता है. And I'm lying. Story-wise, we are entering a phase of a life where there's a new chapter which is starting, and both of us are not actually getting married because we want to get married. There is a certain situation in the story, and because of that, we're getting married. So we are not happy about the marriage right now, but but we're getting married.
Since you're getting married for the second time in the serial, so what's going on right now in your mind? I mean, how is the feeling?
See, it's not a nice feeling because it's not something that I was looking forward to. It was not something I wanted, but it somehow, situation so happened. The circumstances were such that I had to get married. Whatever reasons, whether it's family or my reasons for it, but it's definitely not a happy occasion. It's a very it's strange, It's not a happy occasion. Maybe over a period of time we'll get to accept each other and then accept the marriage. But right now we're both under a lot of pressure to get married.
Okay, what do you guys think? I mean, are you guys compatible to each other?
Um, in the show we've just met once. If you're talking about the show,
Right.
otherwise we are pretty compatible. Yeah.
No,
But
of course, I'm asking
the
about the
characters.
wedding thing. Yeah.
we just met once, and we had agreed that both of us are going to refuse. And I go back home expecting she's going to refuse, and she, for some reason, agrees for it, which you'll see in the future episodes. So the way it is crafted, the way the scenes are put, is so beautiful, and the storyline of the show is amazing.
Okay, since you have done Rajshri show earlier as well, so I mean, you again back with Rajshri. So, how is the association with Rajshri?
I love them. I genuinely love them from the bottom of my heart. And I won't say that if I don't mean it. They're lovely people to work with. I love Surajji. I love Kavita ji. They're such lovely people to work with, and I respect them more than liking the way they are, the kind of people they are. I respect them more because they're so good in what they do. So respect and love और बढ़ जाता है, because एक तो पर्सनल आप देखते हो कि कितने स्वीट है, और दूसरा जब आप देखते हो कि काम में कितने अच्छे, so respect और regards और बढ़ जाते हैं. So it's great to be back. We've created wonders in रहने वाली, and I hope the channel and the production, how magic works again, and we create the same thing once again.
Okay, how about you, Shreya?
I've had such a wonderful experience working here. I keep telling everyone that I wish all my shows are with Rajshri because I'm spoiled now, and everything. It's such a nice setup, such decent people, such good people. And because the captain of the ship, Suraj sir, is like that. So everybody else is like that here. And it's really nice. It's been so nice. I mean, really, I would want to work with them.
Amir, is there any mystery for the second man? Because in Honge Juda Na Hum also you're the third angle, and in this also you're entering at the third guy. I mean the triangle kind of thing. So is there any mystery behind this?
No, Honge was a cameo which got extended, and they didn't want me to leave for every 10 days. They used to come and tell me, we can't let you go, we can't let you go. It was actually a cameo because I was already doing FR at that point of time. This is not a cameo. This is a full-fledged show which I'm doing. So there's no mystery. The only thing is that I'm coming back as Soumi after 5 years. That's the only thing, and that character is one of my favorite I have played. So yeah.
Okay, since Holi is round the corner, so are we seeing any Holi sequences after your wedding? I mean the first Holi after your wedding.
पता नहीं
I
है.
have no clue as of
पता नहीं है.
No idea.
Creatively, no idea. You can ask. You can ask them.
This was definitely the colourful session with the newlywed couple Soumya and Angna from the sets of Jhilmil Sidaro Kangan Hoga in Mumbai with cameraman Kamaldeep Singh. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Amir Ali, and
Shreya.
please subscribe to Bollywood Now.